We're going to try to fill this bridge where the dirt will come up even with the first lip there. We'll see if we get it done. Got our ajuga planted in here and a little bit of stray St. Augustine grass. We might get that, little tropical grass. Ark Trail, October 13th, 2018. Looking good. Keep on going. That is looking better. Mucho mejor. Much better. And we've still got the ajuga peeking out here to try to help control some of this erosion later. Good job, ladies and gentlemen. Wow. Man, you guys are rolling. Wow. Yeah, this is one of the major problem areas. As you can see, there's garbage here from last time too. So good job, y'all. Wow. Okay, so we got a little nature along the way. Those are like, what, 4 or 5 inches across? Good job, everybody. This is a 930 crew, by the way. Okay, looking good. Job well done. Yay.